Welcome back to Castle Crashers, everybody! After taking down that stupid corn boss, it's finally time for us to head into the flooded temple. But before we do that, I want to go to the swamp village. Because we lost some poisons. Yes. Bams? Give me bams. I love bams. Oh, it's a piggy. Piggy makes food give more health. That's not that great. Besides, you know, Pipistrello. Every day. Look at this guy here. Grrr. 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 Plus strength, minus magic. Okay. Big old blind. Who's this guy? It's like a weird dinosaur? I don't know what he is. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Hey buddy, how's it going? Glorp glorp. Glorp glorp indeed. Okay. Ooh. Hi down there. Yeah. Let's get to the flooded temple. Haha, more money. We had money last time, we had money this time. So now we have the horn. We can just get in here. Ah, beautiful. Oh, that's right. Let's head back out. This is the one level I actually want to part my ways from Pipistrello. Just a little bit. So we're gonna head all the way back here to the blacksmith. And for the first time we're going to the nursery, or whatever it's called. All our animals are stored. All our friends were picked up along the way. And this whale that I don't think I picked up along the way. Alright. Because I want the seahorse to actually shine a little bit. Basically nobody uses him. He's very lonely. So I'm gonna bring out Seahorsey. Yes. Good old Seahorsey. Okay, let's head all the way back. Alright, ready this time. Give me more money. I gotta open it again, alright. Excellent. Now we're moving fast for the water. Because there's fishies here! But I'm not scared of them. I have magic. Yeah, so yeah, the seahorse, if you remember it from episode 2, makes you move faster in the water. If you don't have him, I think this part is horrendous because you're so slow. I love these guys though, they turn into like sushi or something when they die. That's an odd death animation, but I like it. But they're not that hard at all. It's just nice to see an enemy that's not like a basic human, I guess. Always nice to see. Ow. Ah, bubbles! Ah, he launched at me. This guy was a fighter. They tried to do the scarab thing, but yeah. Still, I'm gonna beat them. Oh, through here. Now back on land. Ah, look, the fish and the Charmander. Okay. There's more water. They're completely vulnerable when they're in the air for some reason. But they're still not a problem. Oh, a diggy spot. A chicken! Cool. I was still gonna use Seahorse because he deserves it. Look at them, they turned to stone. That's odd. Just gonna more smoky smoke on them. Ow! Ow! Okay, that deals with them. They got to get these snaky as well. They also like to hang out here. He's no problem. That's a stone snaky. Thank you for the money. Yeah, blade. Yeah, but I don't know what it does though. Was it minus... it's plus bunny. Or agility. You can call it bunny if you want. Ah. Smack macaroni. There we go. Oh, a smashed mirror. That I also think is upside down. It might not be upside down. Oh, hello. Yeah, just land and I do it again to you. Like, you keep doing this. Ow. There you go, more poison for you. I'm dead. Excellent. He's not a stone as well. Everyone's just stone here. Yeah, but the shoes. Cool. A lot of women's shoes. A weird incline here, yeah. Okay. The snakies think they're cool with their roots and stuff, but you see, the root of their problem is that they're not me. Ow, how did I... Right. Continue through this flooded. Flooded, so flooded. Look who it is. It's Medusa, and she's wearing a shoe. She threw her comb. Oh, you wanna go, big gal? You sure you wanna go? Yeah, I would imagine you resist poison, but it's still doing good damage. No, because she's a snake. It's actually super easy. As long as you block and stay close to her, she can't do anything. Like, she's trying to turn into stone, but no. If you block that. Three of these. 1, 2, 3. And then she attacks. 1, 2. Okay, get out of the way. I'm not worried about that. It's a good experience though. Ow. My little snake friends. Ow. Okay, I'm really bad with my timing now. Just back off a bit. Like, can you hit this back at her? Ah! No! I was turned to stone! Wiggle out of it! You can hit this back at her. I actually never know you could do that because I always get too close. Oh, she's trying to. There she is. Now she's going down. I just need to get one more hit on her. I was playing around too much in that fight. What does this do? Ooh, I want that. Also a green sword, which is cool. Aha. Yeah. I think it's another pretty short episode. Let's just pump this into magic, make it stronger. Because I think our defense and strength is pretty good right now. Oh well, that's it. I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye bye.